Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on using the PDF markup features in Synchro field. Today, we're going to go through the main features of each toolset for PDF markup. First things first, let's open up a PDF file that we want to create markups for. Once you've got that open, tap on the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. You'll see a bunch of options, including Annotate, Draw, Insert, Fill and Sign, Measure, Pens, and Favorites. Let's take a closer look at the main features of each toolset. Starting with the Annotate toolset. This toolset includes a bunch of tools for marking up your PDF file. You've got the Highlight tool, which lets you highlight text in the PDF file. You can even modify the tool settings, like color and opacity, using the buttons on the top right. If the text in the PDF file is flattened, you can use the Freehand highlight tool to highlight it. And just like the highlight tool, you can modify the settings for this tool using the buttons on the top right. The pencil drawing tool lets you draw markups using the iPad's built-in pencil tools. And the Smart Pen can be used as either a highlight tool or a drawing tool depending on its settings. The Text tool lets you add custom text to the PDF file, and you can change the font style as needed. The Note tool allows you to create an issue form linked to a selected location in the document, and the location will be marked with a comment icon. You've also got the Underline, Squiggly, and Strikeout tools, which provide you with more options for marking up text in the PDF file. And the Callout tool lets you create a callout text box. If you want to modify the size or move any markup, you can unselect the tool you're using and tap the markup you want to modify. You can modify the style, delete the markup, or create a form through the pop-up menu. You can also move the markup by dragging it and resize it by dragging an anchor point. The Multi-Select tool lets you select multiple markups with a selection box, and the Eraser tool lets you remove markups from the PDF file. The Toolbar editor lets you reorder the tools on the toolbar. The Draw Toolset provides different geometry options. With these tools, you can draw rectangles, circles, polygons, clouds, lines, arrows, and polylines. The Insert Toolset includes several tools for inserting content into the PDF file. You've got the Signature tool, which lets you create and insert a signature. Just tap the drop-down list on the top right to create and manage signatures. The Image Stamp tool lets you add an image by tapping the location where you want to add it. You can choose to take a picture or upload an image from your device. You can also choose the size of the image or resize it after inserting it. The Link tool lets you create a link by dragging a box. You can choose to link to a page within the same document or to a URL. And the Stamp tool lets you add a stamp by tapping the location where you want to add it. You can choose to insert a stamp from the library or create a custom stamp. In Fill and Sign toolset, you can create spacing text, date stamp, and check marks of different styles. In Measure toolset, you can add measurement to the drawing. Make sure to set up the scale before placing the measurement. In the Favorites toolset, you can add tools from across all the toolsets to one place for easy access. Lastly, on the top left, you can open the list of all annotations in the document and create forms from them. That concludes this tutorial on using the PDF markup features in Synchro field. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow.